create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Move the anchor point in the bottom corner to adjust the perspective. Lower the fill of the text layer to 0%. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. Pick a stroke color. You can find the settings I used here. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Layer Style. Make sure the Move tool is selected. Hold Alt and press the arrow down key to create the 3D effect. And that's how you create this 3D text effect.